They were looking for a partner that could help them realize their vision for doing some advanced engine repair work in the West Texas area.
The owner had a really strong desire to get their employees working out of this facility as soon as possible, so momentum and speed was a high priority of theirs.
When this project first came about, Warren Cat was very particular. They wanted a state-of-the-art facility to showcase, to serve the West Texas area.
They were doing some very advanced, very technical, very demanding work activities within the space. And so that helped us start to think right out of the gate on what the challenges would likely be and how we could anticipate addressing those challenges head on.
First, it starts with a great understanding of the design intent and the operational intent of the facility itself.
With the size and the complexity of the equipment that we knew was coming into the site, we had to early on think about how are we going to move that equipment.
And that was especially true of the dynamometer equipment.
Yeah, so the purpose of the dynos is to verify that the engines that have come through the facility, been teared down and rebuilt, are performing to the specifications that they're supposed to perform at. So what they're able to do is they're able to hook them up to a machine that puts a load on it. They're able to measure the horsepower, measure the torque, see what the engine's doing in terms of heat and airflow and fuel consumption, and just make sure that's all up to spec before they ship it out to the customer.
So as the dyno design evolved into what it is today, we were able to restructure our workflow in order to support the owner's goal for timely completion.
As the design progressed, some of the technology was changing as the design was progressing.
So we had to be flexible, willing to pivot. We had to be able to take that momentum that we had going in one direction and move that and keep it going in another.
Supporting the project through pre-construction at a point in time when the design was still evolving for so many of the systems really required a strong team, and the communication between Warren Cat, Cirrus Builders, and Shiver Megger, the architect for the project, was really exemplary.
Sarah Systems being one of them, to verify lead times and help nail down some of the scope that maybe the design team was struggling with.
We needed to be super transparent in our communication with them, and like I said, bring facts to the table, bring options to the table.
So for me, a project team in lockstep is fluid. That's the word I would use to define it. That doesn't mean it's always going in the right direction or you don't run into challenges or hurdles, but you have clear direction on how to tackle those challenges.
I think what mattered most is our ability to be a reliable partner for them through any challenges that may have been encountered throughout the process, and ultimately deliver a product they can be proud of for years to come.
It's going to deliver something really important, and so that's what they're hiring us to do, is to deliver their dream. And I think we did that in this instance.